So yan, we're preparing for the vegetable salad. So I'm telling to Eric. Huwag na yung mga dahon, stem lang. To Eric about salad. Yung dahon kailangan ko pa yan. I need that one for my detox. So this is the Baguio Pechay, and this is the lettuce. So here it is the lettuce, and the cucumber, and tomato. So tomato will be cut later on, around 7. Tomato. So yan yung preparation ngayon. So eto, katatapos lang namin mag-gelatin. Gagawin itong buko pandan ng gelatin. But of course, with the buko, we have the fresh buko. Here it is. It is mixed up with condensed and nata de coco. And the gelatin itself is here, the green one. Okay? So now we're preparing for the food for tonight. And here it is the macaroni. Mama's macaroni. So this is macaroni that mixed up with prunes, onion, what is that? Condensed, yeah. Onion, condensed, breast chicken, that one, chicken, breast chicken, cheese, and the pink salt. Okay, so we mix up with pink salt and condensed milk. Yes. So that's the preparation. So now we're doing this food for tonight. So yeah, naka-prepare na yung mga gifts for tonight. So gifts for kids. Yeah. This is our Christmas tree inside the house. So here it is now. So I'm just going to wait for the candles that I'm going to put there on the goblet. So dinner is ready for tonight. Ayan na po. O yan. O yung bread pa dito. So here we are. We're going to... Oh, we are here in the church. As actually church time because it's December 24th, the birthday of Jesus Christ. So that's why we are here together with April and Maki and AA. Yeah, that's AA. So we are here on the church, waiting for the misa.
Yung kasama. Wait lang, wait lang. Thanks, Father. Thank you.